she knows that I gotta be translated to better.
Good morning, back again, this time at a nice warm sunny Legoland to do an overnight stay in the Legoland Hotel. So we'll tell you about, I'll take you on with a day, show you around, and then we'll show you around the hotel afterwards. So let's go do some rides, let's go. Nice quiet day at the park, done Skylion, Hydro Challenge and the Dragon. So we're probably going to get some lunch now and then see what there is to do afterwards, but 5-minute queue times is great, so should be able to do everything today. So just did Pirate Falls, gets you quite wet. So let's go and do some more rides. Just went on the Dragon, the three of us sat in the front 2 rows, and we were the only ones on it. Literally no one else on it, the whole thing. Photos at the end, just us three. Got the whole thing, so we were VIP, so which was great. Right, we're gonna go on a few more before we head back to the hotel. So finishing the theme park for the day, managed to get on Skylion again. For me, still one of the best rides in the UK for originality. It's not a thrill ride, but it's still for me one of the most enjoyable rides to do in a park here. If you haven't done it, I recommend doing it, for it is extremely unique and extremely good fun. So we're gonna go and check into the hotel now and check that out, as we've never stayed there before. So we're gonna go and have a look around. Let's go. So we're done for the day. We had breakfast this morning. You had lots and lots of food, didn't you? And there was a cooked breakfast option, and then we went swimming, and now we're heading home. And it's been a fantastic stay, really, really good. Recommend it for everybody. The hotel is great, service is great. I can't fault it, honestly, it was great. So for now, we'll see you on the next one. See ya, bye-bye.